In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is opening settings and scrolling down to access display. Then scroll down again, choose font size and style. Go into font style and click on one of those fonts to apply the best one. You can also go into font style, tap on download fonts, install the best one for you and go back to the same settings in order to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!